Good morning. Task 4. Let's talk and share. Speaking task. Group 1345. Course English A2. Tutor Angélica Gutiérrez Rodríguez. And University National Open and Distance. University UNAT. My name is Oscar Leonardo Ríos Ospina. I am 29 years old and I am studying industrial engineering. Question: why were you doing last Christmas? I was with my family. To question: you are going to imagine you are in UNAT chef. I am the chef, Oscar Leonardo Ríos Ospina, and today I am going to prepare a typical dish from Tolima. Next, I will show you how to prepare and delicious suckling pig from Tolimans. Suckling pig. Ingredients: yellow beet, rice, pork meat, onion, garlic, pink skin, and how to prepare delicious suckling pig. To start, we have to cook yellow beet. To takes until it is soft. Then we must select the pork and put a long onion, garlic, salt, to takes and prepare a pork with aluminum foil where we are going to start first by placing a layer of mixed white pieces of pork followed by onion and garlic stew. Then when the pot is full, the pork ring is placed, and finally is put on a slow fire for 8 hours for its cooking and delicious. Your next, you are cordially invited to visit our beautiful city. Invited and cordiality, you do get to know Ibagué, Tolima, the musical capital of Colombia, and delight the famous suckling pig of my region. Thank you very much.